Hilary Makaya azobudirira kuita fourth wife waAndrew Manokore. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Panotaura omwe yenyika paya kuti gossip ndinaro gist rinopisa. Imi munozviramba yezve zvazoitika mazoonesewa kuti aiwa cows came home $40,000 cash kuroora Hilary Makaya. Vakatendwa vese vakanzi to our family and friends, we are forever grateful for your support and encouragement, love and laughter. It truly means the world to us. You are here to share our special day with us. Thank you for celebrating in our joy, love and happiness. We feel extremely fortunate to be surrounded by so many of our loved ones who have helped shape our lives. Who have helped make us this day beautiful. We are forever grateful. You are our favorite people in the world. We love you and we hope you enjoy tonight's celebration. Eat, drink, dance, and make more memories with us that we can cherish for a lifetime. From Andrew and Hilary. So Hilary is off the market. Mombe dzakauya kumba. Vamwe vari kuti zviri nani kutoita sub reReal Madrid pane kunoita iwewe main player yekuyadha huko kwaMagaya. So zvaatoita zveriraitiro akanonzi wife number 10 rakanzi wife number 4. Okusalayo she is now Miss Manokore the 4th. Naika